How to fix not receiving verification code on Gmail. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up if we want to fix the issue of not receiving verification codes. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can go to the Gmail application and then sign in into our account if we're not signed in. This is one of the methods. And you can look out for the newest emails, usually at the top, and you can just go over and look out for the verification code this way. Or you can use the search bar at the top and type in code, something like that, and you should be able to find the email that you may be looking for. You can look out the sender name, the website, and the application name to get the verification code. Or what we can do is we can refresh the Gmail application. So in the top, we can find this refresh icon that we can click on, or we can also press Ctrl+R on our keyboard to refresh the Gmail application, and we should be able to get our verification code. And sometimes if your Gmail's storage is full, that may be also the reason that the new emails have not arrived. So make sure the storage is not full. You can look out for the settings option in the top right corner and go ahead and filter out your Gmail here and see the blocked addresses and many more options here. If you're using your browser, what we can do is we can use another browser. For example, I'm using Chrome. There are other browsers that we can open up and directly go ahead and search for that. So you can just go over and search for it and look out if that email is available or not. If it's not still working in your email, what we can do is in the top right corner, we can find a three dot that we can click on. We can go to settings of it and go to the privacy and security section. And from there, click on delete browsing data. Once it is done, we can look out for cookies and other site data and click on this option called delete data and confirm it up. And that's it. Usually, these are some of the solutions you can follow for now if you're not receiving verification code, usually in desktop. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.